Hello Facebook users. Want more engagement and interactions on your posts? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating Facebook polls. Whether you run a business website, manage a team, or just want to have fun with friends, polls are a great way to gather opinions and spark conversations. Story. Chat. Step 1. Access your Facebook post, log into your Facebook account, navigate to the page, group, or profile where you want to create a poll. Step 2. Create new article, click the Create Post button, usually located at the top of your feed or in a group/page. Choose the type of post you want to create, e.g. status update, photo/video, etc. Step 3. Add poll questions. In the text box, enter your poll question. Be clear and concise, for example, which color do you like more, red or blue? Step 4. Set poll options, click the poll option, usually represented by a bar graph icon. Add feedback options to your polls. You may have 2 or more choices, for example, red and green. Step 5. Customize display mode, you can choose who can participate in the poll, e.g. public, friends, specific groups. Make sure to set your privacy settings according to your preferences. Step 6. Choose voting time, decide what time you want the poll to run. You can set a specific time frame, e.g. 1 day, 3 days, etc. Viewers will be able to vote during this time. Step 7. Publish your poll, click the post button to publish your poll, look at the votes that were rolled. Hope this information will be useful to you. Thanks for watching the video.